Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add videos on Skool. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to write something within their Skool community. How do you actually go ahead and add a video to Skool? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is click on the write something post here, and then on this page here, you're going to see multiple icons here. The best way that I've seen to actually go ahead and add a video is that you can actually add it as an attachment. So if you click add attachment, your browser is going to open up. Let's say that we want to add this video here. You just click on the video and then click on open, and it's going to add it as an attachment. But keep in mind, you do have 100 megabytes max as far as video files go. The other way I've found to actually go ahead and add videos is that let's say that we want to add this video here from Creator Booth. You can just copy the link address, go back into your Skool community account, click on this add video button, and then copy and paste the link. So when you actually link it, it's going to appear as a video here that people will actually be able to play back. Now, if your video isn't on YouTube, I would still recommend uploading it to YouTube as far as adding a video goes. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and add a video to Skool. So by either adding it as an attachment, although the max file size needs to be 100 megabytes, or adding it as a YouTube video where you would simply just copy and paste the link and then post it here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and add a video to Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.